Good morning, everyone. Good morning. And today is Thursday, and it will be our Thrive Thursday. So our juice this week is Root Power Thrive Thursday. So here are our ingredients. We have apple, ginger, beet, and carrot. So Thrive Thursday, this will fluid our body and you will definitely feel the difference. Beet is good for your kidney, your liver, you get iron, your apple, your fiber, the ginger, anti-inflammatory, circulation, your carrot, good for your eyes. So this will be a root power drink. So Thrive Thursday. So let's get started. And I hope everyone is giving all these juices a try. And you will definitely feel the difference. And you will feel the difference. And you will see the difference. Okay. Alrighty now. Everything is started. And see, I can't wait. I can't wait to enjoy this drink. Root Power. Awesome, awesome. This drink smells amazing. I can't wait to taste it. Just imagine all this goodness getting inside your vein. Just remember, your health is your wealth. Not only that, remember, the body was made to heal itself. So if you put good stuff in your body to fluid the body, imagine it will take care of itself. Okay, so let's give this drink a try. Awesome, look at that rich, vibrant color. Alrighty. Gonna give this drink a try. Again, I always double my ingredients because I'm making extra so Mark and Alexandra can enjoy. OMG, look at that. This is very refreshing and it tastes very good. You definitely have to try this. Remember, your health is your wealth. So if you decide to target something, for instance, your body, your kidney, try this drink. You'll feel amazing.